I'm sitting outside the historical marker for the Rondout train robbery, which happened 99 years ago, roughly. And it's the largest train heist in U.S. history. And what's fascinating is that the Newton boys who perpetrated this were not known as train robbers. They were considered bank robbers, and actually really polite bank robbers. They prided themselves on never hurting people in their robberies. But it's fascinating because it shows how when you build on your strengths instead of building on your weaknesses, you can do amazing things. Now, maybe it's not robbing trains, and hopefully it's not robbing trains, but it's a matter of being creative and playing to your strengths and working together, and you can do some pretty wild things in your life. So look up the Rondout, it's R-O-N-D-O-U-T train robbery. And there's even a movie made about it. It's starred Matthew McConaughey, called The Newton Boys. If you want to talk about this some more, drop me a line. Love to chat. Peace. Love you.